This video answers how to buy shares of HF Foods Group Inc. and guides you through the practical steps. HF Foods Group Inc. trades on NASDAQ under the ticker HFFG, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy shares. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually by uploading a photo ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker HFFG to find the stock. Make sure you select the listing that shows HF Foods Group Inc. Open the stock page to check basic company information and view the price chart for context. Confirm the NASDAQ listing and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. Press Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will request a deposit before completing the trade. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to the eToro example is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.